Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning and we're going to do another activity with Mrs. Galavat. And I was thinking, what might everybody have in their house that they could use? So today we're going to do a money activity. Now we're quite lucky, we've been collecting lots of different coins, but just use however many coins you've got in your house. You might need to look in your piggy bank. You might need to ask mum or dad if they've got any coins in their purses or their wallets that you could borrow. So these are the coins that we have. And Sophie is going to demonstrate what we're going to do with the coins. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to look carefully at the coins. So Sophie is going to take a coin and she's going to have a wee look at it, and we're going to do some coin rubbings. So she's going to take some white paper and a pencil and put the coin underneath, and she's going to do some rubbings. And as she's rubbing, you can talk about what you can see. Can they see the shape, and can they see any pictures on the coins that are coming through? And the older children can label the coin like we've done here. This is a rubbing of a 2p, and we've written 2.
So as you can see, look, the wee 10 there that shows it's a 10p. So you can just write up here 10p.
Great. So we can do rubbings, and you could do rubbings with all the coins. Now, along the top of our table, we have managed to find different coins. We don't have them all. We don't have a £1 and a £2, but we have a 1, a 2, a 5, a 10, a 20, and a 50. So Sophie is going to start. We're going to put some, you can put some jars beside each coin. And Sophie is going to start to show you a sorting exercise. So she is going to take the coins and she's going to sort them into the jar. So do you want to take some coins, Sophie? Take some coins and sort them in. So put all the 1p's together. Maybe find some 2p's, see if we can put some in. Maybe we could put a few in each.
Or maybe maybe 3 in each.
Can you find any 5p's? And as we're putting them in, we can talk about the different size and the different shape of the coins. Okay, so Sophie, you can stop there. I think that's enough. Now, using the bowl, I'm going to ask Sophie to order the coins. So we want the coins to go in order, not from value, but from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, so have a look at the coins and see what coin you think is the smallest. Now, as the children are doing this, just what, you can talk about the shape. We can talk about this being a circle, and it's silver, and maybe what its value is, and it's a small coin. Oh, here we've got a different coin. You can again talk to your children about the colour, about the shape, about the value. So Sophie's going to get the rest, and she's putting them in a line.
Wait. Wrong one? No, sorry.
Oh, good. So we encourage your child to measure up and put them into order. So we're going to put them in a line from smallest to biggest.
It's quite hard, but it's...
Yep, you need to measure them up to see if they're the same, you can put them beside each other. Okay, and so on. Now the next task we're going to ask Sophie to do, you can do with your children, is ask them to start stacking coins. So take the coins and see who can make the biggest tower. So this is good for their fine motor skills.
So I'm going to do them all with the 2p's, since I think that's like...
So just give you
more like...
But you can do it with all different coins, and you've got to try and stack and make towers.
And you can maybe have like a competition, maybe if you have brothers or sisters, or with your mums or dads or whoever's looking after you, and see who can get the highest.
Yeah, and you might have rules that you have to use different amounts so they get smaller as they get bigger. Okay, now the next task we're going to do is we're going to ask your child for some coins. So for the younger children, you might say, can I have 4 round coins? And Sophie will give me any 4 round coins.
No,
4 round coins.
2, 3, 4.
Thank you. 4 round coins. And you might say to the older children, can I have 6 2p coins? So they have to look for the 6 2p coins. And then we can start adding in value. You could be asking your children what that's worth. If they've got 6 2p's, how much money have we got all together? We've also got some dice here. Again, you could roll the dice, and the dice will give you the number 2. So we're looking for 2 5p's. So we can incorporate the dice into that.
You know what you can also do? Maybe if you have stuff around your house, so maybe, for an example, somebody wants to buy a pencil. Maybe you could label it for the older kids and maybe say, right, that label's 5p. So I'm going to just give you it now. So 1, that's 4, and then that's 5. Here you go, and you can have the pencil.
So we can set up little shops in our house using the coins. Now the last thing I've got to show you is for the older children. I'm going to send you a sheet with today's task, and this is the sheet. It's about sorting the coins. The top box, you're going to do rubbings for all the coins that you've got. Then you're going to make a tally for the number of coins you've got. So remember, we do 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then we close the gate for 5. And then for the older children, they could total the number of tallies and total the amount of money. So I'm going to attach this sheet for the primary 1 to 3s. So good luck. Enjoy your coin task today.
Bye.
Okay.